Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Raven for those of you who do not know, and I'm here to document my Amazon FBA and FBM journey with you guys, show you guys ups, downs, tips, tricks, all of the above. So today what we're going to talk about is the stores that you can use or websites that you can use to get ungated in. Please excuse my background, I literally just moved. We're going to get into the video and we're going to talk about the websites that you can use to get ungated in. So the first website that we have here is going to be, of course, Target. I have mentioned this in my other ungating video, but Target has been the main website that I use to get ungated in. I know a lot of people have issues with Target, but essentially with me, I just keep reapplying. Well, not reapplying, I submit the application as if I'm doing it for the first time. I end up getting approved, so I've never really had too many issues with Target. So yeah, this has been the main one. I'm pretty sure you guys know that. The next one is going to be PetSmart. So PetSmart I actually got from someone else. They stated that they use PetSmart to get ungated in pet food or pet supplies, and it worked for me, yes. But I did apply 6 times. So I was denied 6 times and then I finally got approved. On their invoice, it's a little weird. Well, on the receipt, it's a little weird. So it's not an invoice. And again, too, it didn't have my, I can't remember if it was my address or my name on it. Either one of those, it didn't have it on there. Like obviously it shows that information in my account, but on the receipt itself, it didn't have that on there. And I think it was my address. And maybe that's why I kept getting denied 6 times, but I ended up getting ungated in pet food. So I did find profitable items on PetSmart too as well. The next one is Vitacost. So Vitacost, they sell a numerous amount of things, to be honest with you. They sell anything from like granola bars to, you know, beauty items, food items, probiotics. They really sell like a lot of stuff. Honestly, theirs is like well versed. So they sell a lot of things, so you guys can check that out, see if it works for you. But Vitacost has been one that has worked for a lot of people. Definitely check that out. The next one is going to be Lego. So yes, you can use Target to also get ungated in Lego as well, but you know, there's nothing wrong with going to the actual site, ordering your 10 units and getting ungated that way too as well. No, it will not unlock the whole toy category for you, but it definitely will unlock Lego if you find something that is profitable for that. And that's a big brand too, so it definitely sells if you can find something that's profitable. So we have Mattel. It covers anything from Barbie, Hot Wheels, Fisher-Price. This will not unlock, ungate Barbie, like Hot Wheels, all of that. You still have to do it separately and individually. But Mattel is definitely one that you can use too as well. And again, you can always get ungated in Barbie, Hot Wheels, all that by using Target too as well. On to the next one. Frontier Co-op Wholesale. So this one is mainly for the people who have an LLC. I don't just yet, but this is mainly for people who have an LLC. So if you don't have an LLC, you can just skip this. But yes, they sell a variety of things too as well. You can find very profitable items on here. This is a good one. I've heard a lot of good things about this website, and a lot of people who do have an LLC, they do use Frontier Co-op Wholesale. Something that you guys do not know is Amazon, but the only thing is that you have to have an Amazon business account in order for them to give you an invoice. So yes, you can get ungated with this method by using Amazon, but you do need to create a free business account and do it that way. So you won't be able to do it with a regular Amazon account. It needs to be a business account. It's free. And then also too, you need to order from an Amazon FBA seller. So when you go to order the product, it needs to say ship by Amazon or ship from Amazon. It cannot say ship from Lily's store. You don't buy from an FBM seller. Buy from an FBA seller so that it says shipped by Amazon or shipped from Amazon. The next one will be Walgreens. Walgreens is really good. They do a lot of good deals on Walgreens if you can catch them. So obviously anything ranging from beauty to medicine to, you know, whatever they sell in there, whatever you can find, even tissue. Walgreens is a good one too as well, so don't sleep on Walgreens. Kohl's is one that I've heard about. I haven't actually personally tried it myself, but Kohl's is one that I've heard about, and it works for people, especially with sports apparel. So you can definitely try that out if you want to. I did do my research, and again, Kohl's has been one that's been working for individuals, and they mainly use it for like sports apparel and things like that. So definitely check that out and try that out. So it's gonna be WSS. We do have these here in Texas actually. Mainly sports apparel. So WSS is really good. Obviously, make sure you don't go in stores for any of these. You get them shipped to your home so that you can show them the invoice. But yes, WSS is a good one for sports apparel. Lastly, we have Empire Discount. This is more so for toys. It is wholesale. We do sell a wide range of toys that you can check out here too as well. So this is the last one that I have here on my list. If you know any other stores that have worked for you for getting ungated, definitely drop them down below so that I can try them. And also too, I do have an ungating list for new beginners and new sellers that are having issues with finding products that are ungated to them or auto ungated to them. I do have an auto ungated list for you guys, and I will drop the link in the bio, in the description down below. But other than that, that wraps up all the websites that I do have. And if you have any other questions, just comment them down below. Thank y'all for watching, and I will see y'all next time.